Hi, Brad here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on an Atwood RV water heater in our 2009 Dutchman travel trailer. This will be our first time starting it in over 3 years. These should never use a metal anode rod, by the way. They just have the plastic nylon drain plug that you put in. I don't explicitly mention in this video, but check the exterior combustion tube for spider webs, anything nesting in there before you fire it up on propane. All right, so because I haven't done this in 3 years, I'm kind of remembering as I go, but I do make it happen. So this is kind of more of a real life, DIY. So I hope you can glean something from this, and subscribe if you'd like to follow along with what we're doing within our RV, our home, and our land.
Oh, you got the tape in there still.
Yeah, earlier I just set it on here.
Nice.
So.
Does this mean we're going to get some hot water?
Hopefully. It hasn't been used
Long time.
since I was sick. And then you can thread it
I see it.
backwards and then to start it. Well, I can't really quite get in there very good, but
yeah, it makes it difficult, doesn't it?
yeah. Maybe we'll just start
really
threading
tight.
it and see what happens. There we go. The hose is in the way. That's probably good. That's probably too much, actually. I never know, guys. We'll go ahead and fill it up. There's a bypass we have to undo the bypass so water goes in here. So when I winterized it, we bypassed the hot water heater. So let's go inside. I had a stick to hold this up and I don't know where it went, but I just gotta think. But these are called like the belly drains here, but hot water tank. So I think this will fill it. All right, I gotta think about this each time, but besides opening this one, we also need to open this one, and then the bypass gets closed. Yeah, the bypass gets closed. Kind of thinking as I go, guys. I don't do this all the time, but that should do it. This is the pressure relief.
Oh.
So it's a gas water heater.
Oh, I heard it.
So I think that's good. You don't want that light to stay on if I remember right. But again, it's been a long time since we've used it. So let's just see what happens. Flame right down in there. See that? You can hear it. So we'll give it some time and see if we have hot water here in a little bit. All right, and there we have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.